20x higher conductivity than ceramic baking stones and twice the heat capacity. This lets it send much more heat energy to your crust so you can get the great performance of a 1000F oven in a home oven at 450F. Creates gorgeous crusts, better blistering, and faster cook times. The ultimate pizza stone, LifeHacker. Low friction surface, textured, sanded smooth, seasoned with flaxseed oil. Solid steel, unbreakable, guaranteed for life. 16x14, 25x.25 to 16 pounds, warning, it's heavy. Made in USA. 3 thicknesses to choose from. Our standard 1/4 blows away ceramic pizza stones. And the thicker versions do it even better. The heavier the steel stone, the more heat it can hold transfer to your pizza. All are 16 by 14.25. Works great cold too. Put some ice underneath and use it as a cold plate. Use dry ice and you can make ice cream directly on top. Proudly made in the USA. With precision laser cut, low carbon American steel. Low friction pre-seasoned. We bead blast for texture then sand them smooth by hand. After cleaning, we apply thin layers of flaxseed oil and season them in our oven, no expense spared. Pizza slides easily. Top reviews from the United States. Crisp crusts. Bought this to make pizza on our Weber 3-burner grill. It made great pizza with a crust that was equivalent to brick oven pizza. Easy to use. I positioned it in the middle of the grill, turned all 3 burners on and let the grill heat up to 650+ degrees, then turned off the middle burner and let the steel continue to heat up for 45 minutes. 45 minutes was recommended by the manufacturer for ovens. I may experiment with reducing that time on our grill since it heats up higher than the oven does. Pizza baked evenly and slid off the steel without any problem.